It is, and it's always a big hit with the community, so hopefully they work that out.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to check in with a look at your weekend weather. We had a really nice day.
Yeah, so let's bring in meteorologist Robert Suhr. Yeah, that nice day, but what can we expect for the weekend?
Ooh, it's going to be busy this weekend. Chances for rain and maybe a little bit of snow, and then even more chances for rain and snow, folks. Yeah, exactly. As we get into next week, a busy forecast, a lot to get to here, folks, so buckle up. Here is a look at our focus, and this is what we're talking about. We're watching for several rounds of precipitation over the next 7 days. Some of that precipitation could very well be of the wintry variety, snow and sleet, and we're also watching, could some of that, as we get into next week, be accumulating snow. That's something we're trying to iron out all those details, but I can tell you right now, no snow at all. As we look out over Lowell and Interstate 49, a gorgeous sunset is underway. 50 degrees right now in Lowell and no wind. It is a very comfortable evening. No problems if you're going out for a late evening, late afternoon walk, maybe walking your furry friend as well. Mostly in the lower 50s, northwest Arkansas, a few upper 40s. You get into northwest Benton County. Out there in Van Buren, as we look out, there's the Arkansas River. Things are also nice and quiet in Van Buren, 58 degrees, a little bit of a south breeze at 6 miles an hour, but really no big deal. And across the river valley, also temperatures basically in the mid-50s. Now, we're going to start with System 1. That's going to roll in here tomorrow night and into Sunday. Tonight, we should be nice and quiet. No problems. If you've got plans, maybe you're going out to dinner, no issues whatsoever. Tomorrow morning, we'll start to see clouds increase from west to east, and by late in the afternoon, we'll see showers overspreading the area. As those showers move through, they could transition or mix with a little bit of rain or a little bit of snow and sleet as well. Higher elevations, Madison, Carroll County. And then as we get into the overnight hours, some of that mixed precipitation could spread further into northwest Arkansas, Benton, and Washington counties. Not expecting widespread issues because temperatures you see here above the freezing mark throughout this event. River Valley should remain all rain for the most part. And this should be out of here by the time we get to mid-morning on Sunday. Then we're left with mostly clouds. System number 2 gets a little bit more complicated as we get into next weekend. We're talking, this is Tuesday, 7 a.m. What you're seeing all this blue, these are temperatures, and I've got the precipitation laid on top of that. As this system moves toward our way, it should start out as rainfall. That's what our current thinking is. This particular model is showing, well, it could change over to some snow here by Tuesday afternoon. But underneath this are a lot of lighter greens signifying warmer air that would be here. And that's really hard to get. Not a lot of cold air with heavy snow falling, so I'm not buying this solution, but again, it's a changing forecast. It will be fluctuating as we go. Then the cold air wraps around on the back side of it, and we could see some flurries to end. So, as I said, you're going to want to check back with us. Winter weather, very complicated to forecast. We're still 4 to 5 days out, so we're in that period where we're looking for consistency in the models. Our confidence should increase as we get closer. And does the setup make sense? Well, today I would say no, it doesn't. So we're not ready to make any final calls. As we get into this weekend, we'll get a better handle on precipitation type, location totals, and then we'll be able to issue any potential snow forecasts. 30s tonight, we'll get into the 40s, maybe lower 50s for tomorrow. And there's a quick look at the extended forecast. It is a busy one with those precipitation chances Saturday night into Sunday, Tuesday night and into Wednesday. In between that, things aren't too bad. Much cooler by the middle part of the latter part of next week, as well as we'll see highs 30s and 40s. Same thing in the River Valley. Watching for that mixed precipitation. Tuesday night and into Wednesday could be some snow as well, guys. But changing forecast. You're going to want to check back with us all weekend for updates on next week's system.